Hello, my name is Mauricio Cuadros. I'm 56 years old. I'm married with two teenagers, a man and a boy. A long time ago, I studied industrial engineering, but I need to improve my knowledge in software. For that reason, I began to study system engineering at UNAT University. This is my house. This is the living room, and this is my library. In this library, there are some books of mathematics, science, geometry, and brain or neuroscience. In the in the right, there are max. On the left, there are a man thinking. Behind the man thinkings, there are some books of mathematics too. Between the mask and the man thinking, there are books of brain or neuroscience. So you know that I really like to read a lot of math, science, or neuroscience. Thank you very much.